many other sectors, expectations from the pharma industry were running high. A lot of the points or the aspects impacting the pharma industry are more policy related rather than fiscal related. So when the industry was looking at some sense of directions, there were a number of announcements. To what extent would they alleviate the condition of the pharma industry is to be seen. Specifically for the pharma industry, there doesn't seem to be much in the budget at all. The government talked about strengthening of testing labs. They talked about biotech clusters coming up in Pune and Calcutta. In terms of actually on the negative side, clinical trials, the industry has been going through a very difficult time, and now clinical trials will also be taxed. The most intriguing announcement was in terms of provision of new drugs, free drugs and diagnostics. However, it remains to be seen how this will get administered, how these drugs will be procured, and how free diagnostic services will be provided. As has often been said earlier, the pharmaceutical industry, the key component of which is innovation, is fraught with a lot of uncertainty, and therefore innovation in the pharmaceutical industry needs to be nurtured, and especially in a country like India where there is a large stigma attached to failure. Perhaps incentivizing innovation in a larger manner and providing more access to innovation would have been a step in the right direction. Also addressing the anomalies relating to taxation of active pharmaceutical ingredients, where the country is largely dependent on China, did remain unattended. So perhaps the expectations were on the higher side, but hopefully the steps that the government takes in terms of policy changes, in terms of the other legislation beyond the finance bill that impacts the pharmaceutical industry would be something that the industry will closely keep a watch on.